did all the cash go? Where is my profit? I see these reports or my tax return and it says that I'm profitable, but I don't see it. I don't feel it. This is a common question that I hear from small business owners. And so in this video, I'm going to point out 3 ways or 3 areas where that cash may be hiding, or the reason that you seem profitable, but you don't feel it from a cash flow perspective. In this business, it's a nice business, $830,000 in sales for the year, a healthy gross profit you can see here, lots of expenses. But in this scenario, so if you come all the way down to the bottom line, they're showing a $38,000 profit or net income, right? But they are showing depreciation here of $103,000. I was able to dig into a bit more detail here to kind of figure that out. So where that cash is going. So one of the things was I asked, well, what are you paying yourself? Oh, well, I'm paying myself $100,000 a year salary as the business owner. And I said, okay, well, is your $100,000 salary showing up in wages? When I look at payroll expenses, I see $32,000. So, okay, your salary is not showing up as a payroll expense. In this case, the owner was taking what's called an owner draw, which is completely fine that it is counted for as an owner draw, but it won't show up as a wage expense or payroll expense. Now, in this scenario, another thing that jumped out to me was this interest paid here. So $53,000 in interest paid. When you're paying on a loan, there is a principal portion and an interest portion. Only the interest portion of your loan payment is going to show up on your profit and loss. Okay, so let's just say in this example, she was making loan payments. Let's say $53,000 of it went towards interest. Maybe another $53,000 of it went towards principal. That $53,000 that is going towards principal does not show up on the income statement. One other common area that you may see kind of cash being stuck, and this could be if you are doing accrual-based accounting. So it could be, depending on how your accountant is handling your accounting, that, in your total sales, there could be sales that you've made that you have not collected payment for yet. So let's say you invoiced a customer for $10,000 for a job, but they haven't paid that yet. Where's all my cash? Well, it's sitting in accounts receivable. Your customers owe you a bunch of money. That's why you don't have any cash, because your customers owe you a lot for sales that you've already done.